Here's a nice one. 1962 McCulloch 300 go-kart. Beautifully restored in California. Michael John. Second time restored for the kart. Actually very nice the first time around, but topped off by Michael's. Beautiful finishing touches. What a nice go-kart. Correct in every way. Equipped with McCulloch Mac30 engines. Very correct for the year of the kart. Darn near impossible to find. Sourcing two of those are pretty hard work. We've identically equipped them with twin carburetors on salt manifolds. They have Azusa headers with caps, ball burnished carburetors and manifolds, re-chromed on the shrouds. Headers with caps have been polished. That's an absolute beauty. Those 30s will push this kart to a quick start, that's for sure. Here's some neat things about it. The rear axle has been chromed. That's the original seat back tank from McCulloch. Darn near impossible to find. Original steering wheel. How about that? It's got the center cap. Original pedals. They've been chromed along with the tie rods. Ackerman steering. Designed by McCulloch. Very nice. You've got vintage speed, brand new slicks all the way around. They're approved by any VKA event. Starter cups. Just a beautiful kart. Oh, let me show you a few great things. Original, impossible to find McCulloch disc brake unit. Look at that. Polished. Disc turned and polished. Everything professionally rigged. These karts are unique in that they've got a two-piece frame. The rear of the kart slides into the front of the kart, right behind the seat here. And then it has rubber cushions in between the clamps that hold it on for vibration. Really nice. The McCulloch Corporation did a heck of a job on this kart. We've got it looking like brand new. What a nice addition to your collection. We're out here in Phoenix, 7-day auction. Final bid wins, no reserve. Happy to answer questions. Yes, it's a real deal kart. Not reproduced frame, anything like that. Of course, new upholstery. Very nice. We can arrange the shipping. We send it out to you blanket wrapped inside of a van. Rolls right off into your collection. Any questions? Go to comments. If you want to contact me, hit the contact seller button. Thanks for stopping by.